Today I want to introduce a new product from us by the name of Sepra Mag. This product is especially designed for the cooling or heating system which have closed circuit. By installing Sepra Mag in the return pipe of a heating or cooling closed circuit, we can capture both magnetized and non-magnetic debris inside the system. Because this product is equipped with a strainer, we can capture non-magnetic impurities, and also we have magnetic rods inside that will capture all magnetic impurities. Sepra Mag is produced from 1¼ inch till DN300, which is 12 inch. And it's also equipped with a sight glass to be able to see inside the filter after installation, to see if it is a suitable time to service the filter or not. Let's go have an inside look. Here I open the filter cap and I put it upside down. Imagine this is the water flow. The water goes inside and it wants to come out from the other side. In the filter, inside the filter, when the water flows, it is obliged to go through the mesh filter. So all impurities which are not magnetic will be captured by means of this filter. And the magnetic particles will be captured by these magnetic rods inside. Here there is a component that helps us when we want to clean the filter. As I said before, when we want to clean the system, we can easily understand from the sight glass the time of the service. Imagine now is the time of the service, which means we look inside the filter and we can see the impurities is captured by the magnet. First, we open the screws here, we take out the filter cap. Now is the moment. We can unscrew these two screws on the top of the filter, and this will be detached from the filter. So there is a plate which is designed to ease the procedure of the cleaning. We can easily move this from this direction to unattach all the impurities which is captured by the filter. After the cleaning procedure, we will reposition the plate, the cleaning plate here, and reposition the water filter and the mesh filter in its position. We will fasten the screws and we will replace the filter cap in its position. After positioning the filter cap in its position, we will fasten the screws here. And by means of this tool, we will fasten the screws in a tight position. And from now, the filter is ready to work.